Math with Saddam as usual. Very interesting lessons. You'll get them here, and everything is always for me and you to try handling out. Mathematics, I will always tell you, it is too simple. Let no one make it look so much big and hard for you, but it's always simple, and you can also perform as they do every time. Please note, it is the cheapest subject where 100% is a must. You can even get 100%, and when you're out of the classroom, even if papers are brought back, you are able to believe that you have got 100%. So there's this simple thing by the people always say, body mass in P5 children is saying, hey, what is body mass? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Yes. What is that thing we sing about? Do we know how to use it? Do we know how to follow the rules of body mass? Let us know. By the way, that's one of the major things. Cramming something and failing to use it the right way. If right now I'm to ask any child around here, will tell me, I know body mass very well. But when I tell you to apply it, it becomes a little bit difficult. Body mass is something very interesting. And I want to take time for almost a week to handle something about body mass so that we are able to follow up, because this is where the beginning of failure comes. For example, we are going direct to operations. Work out. Work out. Direct operations. 6 minus 12 plus 18. 6 minus 12 plus 18. Yes, this is a very simple number, but why we call it like this, this is a combination of operations. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Body mass. That body mass we are seeing. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Now, when we are dealing with here, how many operations are you seeing? We are seeing subtraction, addition. But we want to come out with an answer. How do you get that answer? According to body mass, between the two, subtraction and addition, which operation appears first? Which operation? Addition is here, subtraction is here. You realize addition has to appear first. So this is the addition we're talking about. This is the addition we're talking about. That means this 18 is being added to something. Then subtraction comes last. By the way, this is where people get challenges. Please, I still want to emphasize. Because we said addition comes first, someone is going to say, this is 12 plus 18. They said addition comes first, so you add 6 minus 30. Then you get negative 24. It is very hard to convince this person that his answer is not correct if you have not attended my lesson here. Very hard to convince. But this one is not right. I am emphasizing, it is not right. It is not right. According to what the rule of body mass says, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Addition is here. It is 18 that we are adding. So this is subtraction. And it is 12 that we are subtracting. What does it mean here? That means this, we already have 6 at hand. This 6 is at hand. According to body mass, addition comes first. So we shall bring that addition because we already have 6. By the way, these rules I always tell you from the beginning that when we are adding numbers, what we already have at hand, it means we are only topping up. To add means to top up. At hand, we already have 6. So we are topping up what is on the right-hand side, what you are seeing there. So when we are topping up, we begin from this one, the addition, because we are saying, according to body mass, addition comes first, so it is 16. I mean 6 plus 18. Then the negative comes later, or the minus, or the subtraction. So what is 6 plus 18? It gives you 24 minus 12. So what is 24 minus 12? The answer is 12. Now compare these answers, whether they are the same. That's where I get actually at times disorganized when somebody says since we are addition comes first, somebody picks 12 plus 18. I will strongly tell you, please, you are not right. Follow the right way, attend my lessons, and follow these procedures. You will be rightfully on the correct track. 6 minus 12 plus 18, addition comes first. So we rearrange. Actually, the key word here that I might have not written for you is that we rearrange. Be very careful. It is not good. Rearrange. I have started from this confusing part because I know where people always get challenges from. As we move on, we shall also look at the other ones. But I want us to emphasize mostly on this. When they tell us 6 minus 12 plus 18, you rearrange. You bring the plus addition to what you already have at hand. That is 6 plus 18 minus 12. That is 24 minus 12, which gives you 12. This is a very simple working, and I want you to be very careful. Members, I want us to learn this thing very well. At the end of it all, I want you to appreciate that you have really learned a lot. That will give us a very high platform. Now, example number 2. What if the number comes? Remember, when it is addition and subtraction, we rearrange. What if the number comes and they're telling us to work out 12 plus 6 times 2? Somebody is now saying, we rearrange because the other side we rearrange. No, this one is significantly approved and checked according to how the order moves, body mass. Now, what operations do we have here? We have addition and multiplication. According to body mass, which one comes first? We have multiplication here, we have addition. You can see that multiplication comes first. So what you are going to do, this one does not require for rearranging. Rearranging only is required when we have addition and subtraction. So what you are going to do here, don't do it on my question the way I've done it. You have to rewrite it and do it from here. You multiply first. That's what they mean. 12 plus, what is 6 times 2? Is 12, right? So the answer you get there is 24. I think that. That is how nice mathematics is. Learning it is very hard and nice, so much nice. Because you will wonder, why there we rearranged? And why didn't we pick 12 multiplied by 2? Because multiplication comes first. Yes. The other side, we rearranged simply because we were adding to what we have. But this one here, we are saying 12 plus the product of these two. Product is a result got after multiplying two numbers. We all know that. So 12, we are adding onto it the product of 6 and 2. But the other time they said 6 minus 12 plus 18. We are supposed to add first because addition comes before subtraction. And here, since multiplication comes before addition, that's why I've also multiplied first. It's very simple. Let it not confuse you. If it is any other operation apart from these two combined, addition and subtraction, the rest you don't rearrange. So I don't want us to move far to confuse you for nothing. Any operation that is here, we are going to handle, and then we shall find ourselves moving. I don't want to move out with very many examples. I don't want to give you a lot of work. So work out. The other one was for subtraction. This one was for multiplication. So I want you to try for me the following. Just try for me. Work out the following. Remember, we are still moving on. These numbers have not ended. Work out the following. Number 1, 16 minus 30 plus 50. Number 2, 7 plus 4 times 6. Number 3, 2 times 2 plus 8. Number 4, 12 plus 6 minus 8. Maybe to give you some small discussion about it, this first one is just the example we did at first. You rearrange, you bring this one, then you subtract. Then this one, the second example we did. Then this one here, you can see that 2 times 2, multiplication comes before addition, you multiply directly. Then this one, this time, it is 12 plus 6 minus 8. Don't say that because I said addition and subtraction together, we need to rearrange. If it's already arranged, don't rearrange. Like now we have 12 plus 6 minus 8. 12 plus 6 is already arranged, so you can add and then you subtract. This is a very simple number, and as we move on, we shall look at when they are combined and some complicated ones as you extend with your mathematics experience. Remember, learning is for all, and always be safe when you're attending these lessons. Learn how to follow me. All the lessons I post here, please be very willing to learn and always be positive. Thank you very much for attending. I want to appreciate you so much once again. But remember, in mathematics, we are always so much open-minded. You are supposed to tell me whatever you don't know. Then we'll discuss it together. Because when you hide, when you don't want to follow, things will not be fine for you. Are you getting me? Yes, I want you to be very good children so that at a certain point in time, we are able to learn. Even those mature ones, my fellow teachers who are there, outside there, you can use this as an experience to let yourself always well equipped to follow the lesson time and again, and work will always move on. Always send for me your requests and don't fear, because I'm here to help. It's you that makes me to be what I am, and I'm always happy and proud 24 hours because of you. May the Almighty God keep you for me and make you safe as you keep learning with me. Saddam Hussein, I told you my YouTube channel was a little bit disturbed. It was hacked by some thieves. So this new channel that is there, you can still continue using it. Please, if you haven't got it yet, just type Learn Math with Saddam Hussein. You'll get it on YouTube, and then you're able to also learn with me. Otherwise, don't worry, everything will be possible. May the Almighty God bless you for me as we stay together, healthy, enjoying, and everything will be fine. Thank you very much once again.